Guys, so today we're here to do an unboxing, a little quick review on a pepper shop. Just the peppers. So this is a wooden one. You got in a box. You don't get no instructions on it, and it's just pretty simple. This is how you see, this is the engine. Heavy a bit. Let's see here. You're gonna remove here to put the peppers. Just put it on it. Put it back. And 1 second. This one, and you got it. Just close it up after you put the peppers a little bit, and that's it. So this was just a quick review, and it's a really nice product, really nice wood finish and a really good quality. I usually take the wood ones because I think they're much better, they stay for longer, and I also like the ones with the metal finish. They're really nice. This is the wooden finish. It's a really great one. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next video.